new van, Autocruise Starstream, not a Stardream, is it, Finn? He got it wrong, Stardream, and we're having to look everywhere and we couldn't find a layout until we went back up and saw Stream. So Autocruise did release a Starstream, a Stardream, a Star Spirit, Star Blazer. I think it was all to do with space, wasn't it, really? So Autocruise were taken over by Swift in about 2008, and then I think by about 2019, 20, did they disappear? Just went poof, up in smoke, up into the stars. So anyway, I'm waffling. So we've got an Autocruise Starstream. Now this is a nice van. It is a 2011 on a 61 plate. It's going to set you back anywhere between 36 and 39, 40,000, but it's got a lot of kit on. And what we're getting, if you just have a look at the van, we're not getting the white, we're getting the grey. And I do like the front. It has got a bit of character. Now it is on the older shape, not the new shape. And then as you can see, it's on a 61 plate. And I think it's a nice looking van. So I will work a way around it. I'll just tell you a little bit about it. It's 3,500 kilograms with a payload of 450 kilograms. 90 litre fresh water with, what's the waste?
68.
68. Do you like this van?
Yeah, looks good.
Do you want to buy this van?
No time. Need the free time.
I forgot where we were now.
Waste.
So it's a 4-berth with 2 belted seats. What was the waste?
68 litres.
Look at that, eh? The length is 7.12 metres long, so it's quite long, but we'll see inside they make up the space really well. Now, I did say it's got a lot of kit on. We've got the fresh water. People always ask me what this is. This is a 12 volt, so you know, like on your caravans, you have your aqua roll outside. You can put a pump on this, which will pump fresh water into the fresh water tank. Flue for the heating system. We've got the fridge vents. What else have we got around here? Cassette toilet. And then moving to the back, it has got a tow bar, built-in reversing camera, and also the bike rack. Now, I'm just going to show you on top. So as you can see on top of the van, we've got 1, 2, 3 solar panels. So definitely used for off-grid there. So you've got plenty of juice there going into your leisure battery. We've got a skylight there as well, and we've got the TV aerial. So there's plenty of kit on top of the roof. So just catching my eye as we come down, we've got the waste tank drain off. We've also got the hatch there for obviously inside the van. We've got the LPG, also outside at a BBQ point. And then moving towards the front of the van, the 230 hookup, diesel. And then there we've got the cab. So it was a 2.2 turbo diesel. It's a 130 upgrade. We've got tank heaters on it. We've got a Lux pack. Now the Lux pack comes with the awning, the colour and night vision reversing camera. So you can reverse in the dark as well. Cab aircon and also cruise control. So I'm just going to put cabin lights on and let's move into the van. So on the Peugeot Boxer, as you can see, pretty standard there. It's the 5-speed. We've got cruise control, as I said. We've got the electric windows also. And I'll just show you here as well. We've got the blinds. There we go. Pretty nice. Reversing camera. We've got aircon as well. CD, radio. Does anybody have CDs anymore? And then we've also got the stick-on one, the insulation ones there. Oops. And then what I do like about it as well, we've got, so we know we're in the right van. You've got the Autocruise here. Have you seen that? Look at that. See? There. So let's start off with the front. We've got the...
They swivel around.
Okay, so we've got the swivel seats, okay. So we've got the swivel seats. And again, I really like swivel seats because you're making the most of the cab area as well. So I'll just move that one around as well before Finn shouts at me. Move that there. And I'm just noticing here, we have got USBs down the side there. And then we're guessing, so this is part of your berth. We've got a bed that comes out like so. Let's have a look at this. There we go. So that's a good size. I'd say 2, wouldn't you? Yeah, we're happy with that. Yeah, we'll go 2. And we'll just move that back. Hang on, then just let me, I'm just going to have a nose underneath here. So, it's got to have 2 leisure batteries on it. It must have. There you go. We've got the 2 leisure batteries because we're getting a lot of juice there. There's your controller from your solar panel. So, there we go on that side. And then let me just put that there. And then we'll bring that one up. So, and then underneath, here we go. Now this is nice and easy. We've got the battery charger, we've got the pump, and then we also have the dampener as well. And then we've got the Truma heating system there, so it's a 10-litre one. And then we also have the drain down there as well. So everything's nice and neat there. And then as you can see, the bed there really was quite easy to make up. I've lost my fluffy thing off me mic. Oh no. So, storage. Plenty of storage here actually. Yeah, we've got the control panel here, well the Sergeant one. So we've got the charger, space heater, water heater, 12-volt fuses, 230 there. And then, yeah, I'm guessing we've got the blinds, fly screens there, and a good size skylight as well. Oh, I'll probably break it. So, swap around then, let's move to the... So these are the Swift controls, these are, so you can tell obviously it's been made by Swift as well. Water pump, nice and easy, gives you your, there you go. If I press that, we're on leisure battery. If I press that, we're working off vehicle. We've got all the levels there, gives us a freshwater waste pump. There you go, pump's kicked in. And let's move to the middle of the van. So we've got the centre kitchen, microwave, and then we're going to have a hot plate, 3-burner gas, grill, oven. And then tell you what I'm noticing, good prep area as well. And then we've got the 3-way Thetford fridge, and again storage.
Drainer.
I'll show you. There's a little cupboard. Oh god, yeah, it is a drainer. Yeah. We'll put that on there. And then what I do like in the vans, we've got a gas fire, and yeah, and it's also electric as well. Here's the control just here for the electric on the fire, and then your next control over here is for your blown air. So when we've got the fire on, the fan will work and it'll blow warm air. See the vents here all around the van. And then in the wardrobe, we've got the wardrobe with there's the TV aerial, and then we've got the booster at the back as well. Another skylight above, and then we've got the French bed. The reason why it's called a French bed is because it's cut off here on the side, and again storage around with the skylight. Again, yeah, we've got blinds, a fly screen, big window that is. Oh, will that be TV? Yes, look at this, see. Which doesn't work. Started something now for me, haven't I? How did I get that out? Ah, I've done it. So there you go, that's quite handy because then this arm will swivel around so you can watch the telly front as well. So that's quite a nifty one. And then what do you reckon, is it going to be a separate shower or a combined shower?
A bit of both.
Cheat. Oh, just noticing here, nice little touch as well. We've got the carpet, the curtain goes across, so we have got a bit of a divider as well. and then let's have a look. You're right there, Finn, a bit of both. So, toilet at the back, and then as you can see there, we've got the divider for the shower, and then moving to the front with the sink. We have got a cupboard at the back, and then there's the divider, which brings it over. And then we've got the sink, and then a bit of storage below. So, who's it going to appeal to? Now, it's going to be a two-berth because we haven't got the extra seat belts. We've only got the 2 seat belts. But we have got an option of, this is a very good domestic bed, motorhome, because if you do have an argument, you can also make the bed up here as well.
It's ideal off-grid.
Off-grid, it's been, obviously somebody's used it for off-grid, haven't they?
Winter pack.
Yeah, like you say, the winter pack tank heaters, outside barbecue, the 3 front blinds with thermopads, so everything's there. They've been using it for off-grid, haven't they, really? But it's been well looked after van. Don't forget this is 12 years old, this van is, and there's not a mark on the material, even on the cupboards as well. There's no dents around. And then, yeah, so it looks well. The curtains as well. I don't know if were they extra or no?
No, I think they're standard.
Do you think this is had a reupholster?
Actually, it matches the front seats.
Yeah. Yeah, it just looks really nice and neat, to be honest with you. So yeah, anywhere between the 36 and 40,000. And then just pointed out as well, the good thing with these fixed beds is you've got a good storage area below. So there's your freestanding table. You've got a good storage. Now that's got me intrigued. Oh, again, probably for a toolbox or something like that for putting your tools. This is your extender on your awning for putting in the middle, the centre bracket. So yeah, the van's giving you everything. You're getting hot and cold water, which is powered by the gas and electric. I didn't see that one. Ah, there it is. So there's your gas hot water as well. But yeah, it's a good size van. It's a good size van to go touring in as well. So there you have it, the Autocruise.